In this video, I want to go through some more examples of substituting into expressions. So our first one, given x is 3 and y is 8, determine the value of 4x over y. And in each of the cases here, I'm going to try and make sure that my fraction is as simplified as possible for my end result. So we have 4 times x in the numerator. So 4 times 3 in the numerator over y, so 8 in the denominator. So our numerator is 4 times 3, which is 12. So we have 12 over 8. So both 12 and 8 have a factor of 4, so we can divide top and bottom by 4, and we will get 3 halves. And that fraction is as simplified as possible. Question number 2, given a is 5 and b is minus 2, determine the value of a plus b over b. So, substituting in the a, which is 5, and the b, which is minus 2. Now, I'm going to include a bracket here, and bracket here, although the brackets here are not as necessary. Okay, you would be able to get away with not including them in this example, because we understand that 5 plus negative 2 means 5 take away 2. Okay, so we can get away with that. So our numerator is 5 take away 2, so that's 3, and we have 3 over minus 2. Now, 3 divided by minus 2 would be minus 1.5. Okay? Now, the thing about this is that the minus sign can go there, and because 3 divided by minus 2 is the same as minus 3 divided by 2, you could put the minus sign there. Okay, both of those two things are the same, but you could also say it's minus 3 divided by 2. Now, of those 3, this would be the preferred layout of your answer. Okay, so try and get it so that the minus sign is out the front of the fraction. Right, number 3. Given p is minus 3 and q is 5, determine the value of q take away p over 2q. So let's just substitute everything in and see what we have. In the numerator, we've got q take away p, so 5 take away. Now, here I'm going to pop the minus 3 in a bracket, and then we have 2 lots of q, so 2 lots of 5. Now again, because you're just subtracting minus 3, you could get away with not having the bracket here. Okay? If you're worried, just have the bracket in there. Okay? Just keep the bracket there and work from there. That's fine. 5 take away minus 3 is 8, because that's 5 plus 3. And the denominator is 10. 8 and 10 have a common factor of 2, so we can divide top and bottom by 2, and we'll get 4 fifths.